This changes everything how you study. If you are struggling with history, in geography, and in science too, this one shift of this AI tool which I can give you will completely flip your results. Okay, will completely change. Like you can get full marks also if you start using this and if you follow me to the T. All right. So I have broken this video into three parts. Share my screen. So I have broken this video into three parts. I will tell you what is the strategy of how you can get the access for this. What is how you can overcome this. Okay, how you can change the study game and do everything else and get good marks. First concept is, and I will also give you the AI tool, okay, which I have built. This is like the secret ingredient, okay, of my secret ingredient soup, yeah. And then I will give you the access to that for completely for free. I'll tell you how to get the access. You have to go to my website. Just go to my website, joshuagonsalves.com. I'll explain you just in a bit. Okay, I'll give you the AI tool in a minute. Okay, so stay tuned, and I will just don't skip this video. Yeah. So the first concept I want to explain you is if you use the same method, you'll get the same outcome. All right, because every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Yeah, I will give you the AI tool. Okay, so don't skip this video. So if now I give you this AI tool and this is something new, okay, and when you start using something new, you will also get new results. Okay, yeah, and when you gamify it, this will feel like a game. Okay, not feel like studying. You literally not feel like studying. Okay, I'll show you how you not feel like studying. All right, so you have to also gamify your studies. Okay, now let me show you a tool, and this AI tool is for history, for geography, and for science too. Okay, so check this out, and you're going to get completely blown away by what. All right, now I'm going to show you the system because this I've built custom for history, geography, science too for SSC, okay, class 10th, and this was built in 2024, long time ago. So let me show you this, and you might have not seen this anywhere else. Okay, all right. So now when you go to Joshua, okay, you will be going to a website which looks something like this. This is the problem which I'm solving. First of all, before I show you the AI system, I want you to go to this website right now, and I want you to click on this button, and I want you to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, when you click this button, you'll be going to a WhatsApp group which looks like this. This is VIP student group. I want you to join this WhatsApp group right now before I show you the AI system. Because even I give you the access to this AI system only in the WhatsApp group. I do a free webinar and I show you and I give you the access only for the serious student. So now I will be showing you the system. Okay, if you're facing problem with this, just go through my website. Okay, go through my entire website. Know who am I? I got 92% to know. Just go through me. And okay, so this is the exact AI tool. This is only for science. I'm going to show you for history and geography also. This will gamify your studies. This will automate your studies. It will do everything. Okay, now I have to show you. For you to believe it, you have to see it. Okay, I will show you for history, geography also, but first I will show you for science too. This is more easier to explain. Okay, and this is all chapters of science today. Okay, 1 to 10. Okay, now if I go to any chapter, let's go to animal classification. Okay, and now if it shows me like I have to study this much is new. It can also track, like it shows me like I have revised this one time, forgot this 0 times. Okay, it shows me like in 5 minutes I can study this. Okay, I have to revise 0. I have to study new things this much. 19, I have to study new. Okay. Now if I click on study, it will ask me some information. Okay. This is all smartly. It will ask me smartly. Okay. Because it's based on the forgetting curve principle. All right. Let it load. It shows me 5 minutes is remaining. Okay. In 5 minutes, I can study this chapter. All right. Only 19 pieces of information in 5 minutes. Okay. Now it will ask non-coordinates. It will cover this answer. You have to think behind the brain. What is the answer? I click on nerve cord, if present, is on the vertical side. It is a solid pair. So if I could not remember it, I will click on this red button again. So it will show me after 1 minute again. If I could remember it very easily, I'll click on easy button. It will show me after 4 days. Okay, so it was not easy for me. I click on again. It will show me after 1 minute again. Okay, now it is asking me this benefits of annual study of animal becomes convenient. Study of your animals and help us to understand about the entire group. Okay, so like it will now I could remember it very easily. It will show me after 4 days, because if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Okay, so what happens in this is now this tracks every single piece of information. Okay, this you have to continuously start doing it. If you could remember it very nicely, you'll click on the easy button. If you could not remember it, you click on. Now if I go here, okay, in all, it shows me like exactly I have revised this how many times. Okay, I've revised this 1 time, 10 times, 9 times, 8 times. This 10 times, 1 0 10 times. So I can see this 10 times, right? So I can see what is that 10 times. So I revised this 10 times. All right. So I click, okay, I can view this like this. I have revised this. I have revised 10 times. Okay, it can track exactly, and there is more advanced tracking in this. Okay, now if I click, it can track how much is your revised, how much it is easy for you. It can track. Okay, it is all new. It can track. Then and what is there? It can track when I have created this. You can see this in 2024. I have created this all. Okay, now I'll show you. Now I showed for lapses. It can show you how many times you have revised this. Okay, now it is new for me, so but when you start using it, it will show up live data. Okay, and it can show me due, when I had revised this last time. Okay, I've revised this so many times. Okay, when you start using it, it will show, there is more a lot of data in this. If I, okay, and this shows animal classification. Okay, now if I change this from animal classification to science 2, okay, this will show me live data. Okay, this is like burial. It can show me forecast, like this all data is there, like how many times I've revised, review count, how many times I've revised, review time, how much time I took to revise, how much interval I've studied. It can show me like every day, from morning to night, how much I'm studying. Weekly breakdown, every week how much I'm studying, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Answer buttons, it will show me how many days I'm studying. Okay, and there's a lot of analytical and statistical things which happens. And so this is what happens in this, because this works on the forgetting curve principle. And this is like a lot of, this is fully science based. Okay, this will completely made for your brain. Okay, it will tell you exactly before you forget anything, it will show you exactly on the correct time, so you don't forget it. Now I want to show you for history and geography, because that is the pain of many students. Okay, I know that myself. Show you that that is going to be more mind blowing than this. All right, so this is for history, and this is what I'm going to show you is going to completely blow your mind away. Okay, now this, okay, now I show you. If I go back, okay, this has all chapters two of history and geography. Okay, now let's say if I go to any chapter, let's go to history notes. Okay, let's go to the most difficult chapter which students think, the fourth chapter. Okay, and if I go here, it loads. So it is asking me Maratha style of painting. Okay, now it is asking me the first point. It is asking me the first point. Now I click on show answer. I have to think what Maratha style is an example of art style. Okay, so how was it? How could I remember it? Was it easy, good, not easy? So again, if it was not easy, but it was easy for me, so I click on easy button. So it will show me after 4 days. So this works in the forgetting curve principle. Okay, now I click on 4 days. So it will show me after, yeah. So you can also give orals in this. Now if I click, it will record my voice. This is my voice. This is my answer. Now stop the recording. I will click on show answer. I have to think. I told my answer before this, and then I will play this recording. It will tell. It will play back the answer. Only I can hear it. You will not able to hear it. Okay. Then you can check the answer. If it was correct, then you can rate it accordingly. How was it? Easy, good, again. Okay. It was easy. I'll click on 5 days. Show me after 5 days. Okay. So this continues. You can even write in this. You can like if I click here, you can write in the sentence something. Okay. You can save this, and I cannot explain it. This also works in the forgetting curve principle. And let me show you. This also has statistics that it can even track how many, what you are studying, how much you remember, how much you have forgotten, calendar, monthly breakdown, hourly breakdown. Okay, let it load. Yeah, so it can track, like you can track your backlogs also. Okay, it will do all the planning for you, so you don't need to think what to study, what to revise. Okay, it can do 1 month planning, 3 month planning, 1 year planning. All of this planning will happen in this. All right. So yeah, calculate when you have to revise this. Okay, in 1 month, how much you have revised, when you have to revise. Okay, it can also track like a hourly breakdown. Okay, if you go here, retention also, it can track added how much. Okay, how much you have revised, how much is retained, how much have you retained, how much you have passed, how much you have failed yesterday, today, last year, last month. Okay, this I have personally built and I have used it also. Okay, that is the live data. Okay, it shows like 4 cards in 3 days intervals. Okay, 46%, 5 cards. All this is like live data which happens when you start using it. Okay, so it's like it can also track your calendars, and like it is much more crazier than you can. It is not actually explainable. Right, now if I go to card browser again, and then it shows me like there are a lot of code in this I've done so that it becomes very powerful. Okay, only if you start to use filter by, there's lot. See, you can see this. If I go, when lot of codes and all, I've done this. Okay, so if you want to get the access for this, it shows like what you revised, how much is easy for you, how much is difficult for you. Like it is so crazy stuff that it is like, it's not I don't know how can I explain you. Okay, it's like you have to use it for you to believe it. You have to see it. Okay, you have to start using it. Now if I grade, now you can also tell how was it, grade, easy, good. Again, you have, it is like more. If all right, so how was it? It was like mind blowing, right? So if you want to get the access for that, I have a special gift for you. Okay, so just I showed you the glimpse of how this works. So if you want to get the access for that, there will be a link below this video to my website. Okay, just go to joshuagonsalves.com or just go to joshh.co and you will get to my website and click on the button for start my free AI powered study. Then you will go to a WhatsApp group and I will be doing a free masterclass in the WhatsApp group. And for people who are there live, only for them I will give this AI system completely for free. Alright. So you have to be there live for you to get the access. Okay. Join the WhatsApp group and okay. So all the best and I will see you and I will catch you inside my WhatsApp group in the webinar.